Hi guys, welcome to my first tutorial, and this is a first tutorial for me for the beginners. There are a lot of people out there who have asked me to show them how they can start to crochet. So for everyone who is not a beginner, you can just skip this video. This is a new series for me. Okay, so to crochet we need a hook. In this case I got a 1.5 mm hook, but there are different sizes of hooks, and you can have different kind of yarns, cotton, wool, and so on. Okay, so it depends on what is your project. But the basic for everything starts with making first a slip knot. Okay, so a slip knot is very easy. You can just get the line, get the hook, put the hook under the line, turn it on your side like this, get the end of the yarn over and twist it. Okay, just like this. This is the first step. Okay, just do it like this, and then try to keep it with your two fingers like this, and then yarn under and pull through. Okay, so this is a slip knot. Okay, for everything that you are going to start, you need to make a slip knot. So just now stop this video and just try to do this over and over again until it's easy for you to do it. Okay, and then the rest is just making chains. To do projects, different projects, you will have a number of chains. Okay, so the chain is very easy. Once you have the slip knot, you just yarn under and pull out like this. So let's do it together. Yarn under, pull out, yarn under, pull out, and here we have a chain where we can start to do our project and our patterns. Okay, now also I wanted to tell you how you can carry your hook or your line, your yarn, or your thread. Okay, there are different ways you can carry your hook like this. For me is this way, or you can carry your hook like this. Okay, so let me show you how it is to work like this. Okay, just keep your fingers like this. Let me show you. So yarn under. You have to help yourself with this hand as well, if you are working like this. Okay, so if you keep your hook like this, you have to help yourself with the other hand. Yarn under, pull out, yarn under, pull through. Okay, yarn under, pull through. And also the yarn or the thread, you can carry like this. Just get around your small finger and then over here, and then carry like this. Okay, so let's do it one more time. This is how I carry the thread. So around my little finger, over my other three fingers, and then here like this. There is another way. You can just put it around your index finger like this. Okay, and then when you work like this, just work, then you just do like this. Okay, and then leave the yarn free. So once this is finished, just leave one more. Okay, and keep working. Okay, so this is very basic, and you just have to practice, and I'm very sure that this is very easy to learn. So you just keep working like this and find your way of how to carry the yarn, this way as I do, or this way, and also try to find how it fits you on how to carry the hook, this way or like this. Okay, and I hope this is a useful tutorial for you, and I hope you have learned something. If you are new to my channel, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you are not new to my channel, thank you for watching.